So, hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will provide you complete guideline for CA4 online examination. Okay, I hope that you are very well known or aware of that CA4 online examination will be start from the 9th of November and it will continue. Okay, so I will provide you the complete step by step that is basically released on the Macaut official website. Okay, so you have to watch the video guys very carefully because this is gonna very important for the CA4 examination. Okay, I hope that you are very well aware that Macaut system for CA4 online examination is completely changed, and in this video I will provide step by step. So let me talk about the step by step guidelines that is basically released by the Macaut. Okay, so this is the complete guideline I am showing you. Okay, so what are the steps that it to be followed during the CA4 online examination? Guys, I think that if you have given the online examination in first semester, second semester, or any online Macaut examination, then this is gonna very easy for you guys. Okay, so what you have to do simply you have to go to the macautexam.net and clicks on the member area. Okay, so simply you have to click on the member area. Okay, they are given the complete guidelines, guys. Okay, so after clicking on the member area, a new window will appear. Okay, and this type of the window will appear where you have to select the student. Okay, there are various format available: student, result, help text. Then simply you have to click on the student portal. Okay, after going to the student portal, again a new window will open. Okay, and where you have to basically given the login credential, means username and password. And hope guys that you have remember your username and password. Okay, so simply you have to give their username and password, and by the chance suppose if you have forgotten the username, okay, or password, then simply you have to call to the college, or if you have forgotten password, then you can simply click here the forget password and you can reset the password, because this link will basically given to the means link, or you can say the Gmail account that you have already enrolled in the Macaut portal. Okay, so simply you can reset your password, guys. Okay, so after giving your login credential, simply you have to click on the submit button, and after that again a new window will appear. Okay, so this type of window, I think that you have already logged in to this particular CA4 examination. Okay, sorry, means this Macaut portal, where you have to basically click on various, means you can find various logos too, but you have to click here simply online examination, means completely same method that you are following in the previous semester examination too, guys. So simply you have to click here on the online exam. So after clicking on the online exam, a new window will appear. This type of window will appear. Okay, and here a complete detail about your current examination will be given. Okay, suppose serial number 1, exam type, this is the enrollment form, but if your examination is basically what can we say CA4, then here it will be written CA4 semester, whatever the semester that you are currently there, it will be written. Okay, you have to do nothing, simply you have to click here on the URL, means just click here. After clicking on this, again a new window will appear, and that is your step 6. So what is in the step 6? You will be redirected to another web page, and that is basically the web page designed by the Macaut for getting the your examination. Okay, so means for giving the examination, they have basically developed a new portal. So here you have to simply again give the login credential, means login ID and password, and simply you have to click on the sign in, guys. After that again a new window will appear, and this is gonna last step, means almost last step, that is the step number 7. After clicking on the sign in, if you get the screen, then the click on the destroy previous session and proceed button, means if you have got the screen, then first you have to click on the destroy previous session and proceed. What is the purpose of giving this particular section? Because they want that, yeah, this must be safe. Okay, so that's why they are writing that. First of all, you have to delete the previous session, and you have to basically completely, means you have to go to the window completely in a fresh mode. Okay, so you have to click destroy previous session and click on proceed. After that, these are the steps, say 8. Okay, so after in the step 8, what you have to do? Simply after login, you will get the screen consisting of the subjects which you will appear for. Click on the subject name as per schedule, means same format, guys, that you are already format basically following in the previous examination, that is the online examination. Okay, so simply you have to click here. The suppose this is the mock test, so you have to click on the mock test. Okay, or if your examination, suppose the chemistry or physics or whatever the subject that you are following, simply you have to click here that, and after that a new window will appear where you have to basically just read the uh, all the session. Okay, I means all the instruction, exam instruction, very carefully, guys, and after that you have to click just start exam. Okay, and remember guys, exam will not start before the time. Okay, means when your time will active, after that you can only start the examination. Okay, after starting the examination, you will get the question with 4 options, and you have to choose the correct answer as per your knowledge and click on the option button. Okay, means simply same as follows. Okay, so there will be a question, and I think that you've already gone through that. There will be a all absolutely MCQ type question. Okay, and simply click on your submit, and you will be provided basically just 40 minutes for submitting all these type of answer. Okay, so simply we have to do the choose the option and just click on the mark as save or save for review, all things you can do, and just after that you click on the next button for getting the new question. After that again next question, and after fulfilling all your means, after completing all your question, just click on the submit button. Okay, that's gonna vary your last step, that is the steps 11. So after answering the last question, you have to click on save and finish. Remember guys, you have to click on save and finish button, and then pop-up message will come on your screen, means giving you alert that whether you want to submit or not. And this is gonna be your last step guys. Okay, so you have to be carefully, means you have to first review all the questions that you have already given. After that you have to just click on the yes button and just submit that. After that you can see that this type of window will appear, same as usual that you have already given in the previous online session. So just you have to click on the paper submission completed successfully. So this is the basically confirmation that yeah, you have submitted your paper. After that just you have to click on the log out, means after, for the safety purpose, you have to log out from the window, and thus your session ended. Okay, so guys, these are the complete step by step process you have to follow. Okay, I think that this is gonna very easy for you guys, and if you have already attempted previous session. Okay, so this is the completely new pattern of the CA4. Okay, so I hope video gonna informative to you. If you have doubt related to anything, then you can comment here. Okay, and this is gonna very easy. Okay, so I hope video gonna informative to you guys. If you get something from video, don't forget to support my channel for providing such important updates and other information too. I hope video informative to you. Make sure to share with your friend, and make sure to hit the like button guys for supporting me. Till then, bye bye, meet you in the next video. Jai Hind.